Well, the upper strut mount is in place, and I've got our alignment stud in the right location. For right now, just have the nuts on there finger tight, and that'll help line up the bottom of the strut to the spindle. Okay, we have the bottom of the strut in place, and the bolts are also finger tight down here on the bottom. What I want to do now is go back on top, and I want to torque them down to specification. Then I'll come down here and do the same thing to the lower bolts. Before we tighten this all the way, there's one thing to remember. Remember, we painted our mark on there. It's a good thing we did too, because the new strut, if you remember how the hole was elongated on the bottom there, and here's what it does. You can see how much movement I have there, and that's going to really help for the wheel alignment on this vehicle, so that's an improvement. But the initial setting on this, in order to get the car to the alignment shop, I have to be pretty close to where it was originally, and that's where our paint mark is going to come into play. What I want to do is I want to adjust it. As a matter of fact, about right there is where I want to tighten it up. Now I can go ahead and torque it to specification. Now the torque specifications required for this job are going to be found in your repair manual. Well, the last thing we need to do on this job is go ahead and reattach our brake hose to the strut. Okay. Well, we've got the brake hose on. Next thing we'll do is go ahead and pick up our tools, put the wheel on, and then it's off to the other side. The ride from the alignment shop was smooth and the car handled like new. Shocks and struts age gradually, and it might not be easy to notice until they're worn out. When it's time to replace yours, remember that the folks down at AutoZone will help you get the right parts, products, and the tools you need to do the job right the first time. Thanks for watching. I'm Bruce Bonebrake. As with any job, to do it right, you'll need the right tools. The nice thing is that jobs today don't require a large, expensive assortment. Basic hand tools are generally all you'll need. In case where a specialty tool is required, be sure to check with AutoZone's Loan a Tool program. They have many specialty tools that can help you complete your job a lot quicker and easier. The first things you'll need are a socket set, torque wrench, drop light, and a repair manual for your specific vehicle. You may also need screwdrivers or pliers to remove some components.
When lifting a vehicle, never work under it until it has been secured with wheel blocks and securely positioned on jack stands. A hydraulic jack alone is never enough. Be cautious when working with oils and chemicals. Many are damaging to the groundwater environment and toxic to people and animals. Never drain or pour chemicals into the ground or sewer systems. Local municipalities and counties offer resources for proper disposal. And always, remember to wear your safety glasses.
Get the entire DVD for this repair and all other procedures covered in the complete car care series at your local AutoZone store.